Hey, welcome back to Pappy Tinkers, and this is my entry for the 2025 USACC 68 Dodge Dart Hemi build. I'm not going to go all through this box because I'm sure by now you guys have already seen a couple videos that go through the parts, but I didn't buy this kit just for this build. I bought it about 6 years ago. When I first seen it was right around when Tamiya came out with their new spray paints, and I seen a can of purple there, and that was my vision. I had my vision for the car. So I sprayed it, and it didn't turn out like it should have. So tossed it all back in the box, and there it sat for the last 6 years or so, just with this nasty purple on it that had bubbles and gassing out all over it. I very rarely use a spray can, and well, about 6 months ago I was just cruising the web, and I found an article about women drag racers. So I read it and I thought, hey, that's pretty cool. And I saw one that, so I started looking for aftermarket decals for them and seeing what kind of cars, and I found one that used a 68 Dart. I was kind of already limited to some sort of drag racing because I had already cut out the wheel well for this, so the stock pretty much wasn't going to be an option. And lucky or unlucky for me, I was not able to properly use the Slick's website and get those decals ordered, so it just sat and sat and sat. Well, I did put it in the purple pond, as you can see. Well, anyways, sorry for the dog interruption. Into the purple pond it went for a week, then a month. Quit knocking my stand. I know some guys have great success with it, but well, this is the subject for another video. Anyways, so my vision for this is to build Shirley Shahan's 68 Dodge Dart, and I'm going to try to find as much research that I can on her car with the interior colors and stuff like that. There's not a lot, but maybe I can find some. So who is Shirley Shahan? That's the original Dragon lady. Yes, you've probably seen one or two kits of her, but I haven't seen one of the 68 Dart, so that's going to be my plan for this. And it looks like my first two steps are going to be to find some other way to strip the rest of this purple off, because I know her car wasn't purple, and try to figure out the Slick's website. So there you go, guys. That's my entry. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Send me some comments on how to properly strip a car, because apparently I can't do it right. But, and keep on building. See you guys later.